Today's article is titled Ford Recalls 420,000 Vehicles Over Dangerous Seatbelt Issue. This one is by TheIndependent.com, posted on June 3rd of 2026. The recall announced by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration this week affects 2018 through 2022 Ford Expedition and Lincoln Navigator models. Owners will receive a mail notification. Dealers will inspect and replace affected front seat belt retractors for free. Ford issued a do not drive warning for thousands of Bronco Sports and Maverick vehicles. Due to suspension problems, the recall covered a total of 422,613 vehicles. Ford is aware of 2 warranty claims, 2 field reports, and 1 injury. That concludes this article, and thank you for joining me today.